Hello, this is Brandon with Make Money Online Scams Exposed, and today I just wanted to talk about Thrive themes. So I'm going to quickly just play the beginning of this video to show you what the owner says himself about these conversion-focused WordPress themes and plugins to give you a better idea of what they do.
Thrive Themes is all about creating conversion-focused WordPress themes and plugins. So what exactly do we mean when we say conversion-focused? In short, it means we don't believe in gimmicks. Your website's job isn't to be pretty or to show off the latest in web design tech or to have more widgets and features than the next website. A good website is one that does the best job possible of turning your visitors into subscribers, fans, customers, and clients.
So that in a nutshell shows you what Thrive themes can do for your business. Now let's just look at a few of the themes that they have. Now Thrive Themes does have plugins, but in this review or tutorial I'm just going to focus on the theme. So basically these are an example of their theme collection, which Rise theme is the one I'm using now. You can see here you can go to each one, learn more, or view demo. So if I was to click on the demo here, you can see that this shows a demo, sort of what a home page could look like. You can change everything in here. You can even use child themes. You can completely change it up, but they don't obviously recommend it because that's basically just you tweaking and messing with colors instead of focusing on your business and focusing on getting clients, customers, whatever your focus is. So then here it shows how it looks in like a tablet form or different devices here, and then how it looks maybe like here on mobile, the smallest, or a little bit bigger here on like an iPhone 7 pretty much. And so you can see it on all different devices, so you can test your pages before. And then what's nice also is you can go to the here and you can see like landing page examples, like lead generation pages, email confirmation, sales pages, such as this. Here's a sales page. You can put your main benefit here. You just fill in the blanks. Learn more. This job, this headline has to get your visitors to keep reading. The job of this headline. So basically, they're just saying what you need to fill in. Then you fill in the stuff and keep it simple. Nice icon. They're actually explaining what you can just add in here, just making it very, very easy, where it's almost like a sales page builder, but they're not even that's just a bonus of what they do by adding these templates in, which no theme companies make it this easy for you just to create a page this fast. So as you can see, it's very easy and relatively hassle-free to do these kind of pages right here, where you've got, this is a video generation or a lead generation video page where you can put your video. You got your little subscriber box, and you can add that to your Thrive themes or leads in your autoresponder as well. And so here's that. Here's another example of a lead video page, different kind. And so as you can see, these are like, this is another example of a different kind of theme sales page, and maybe like a video page that they have. So these are just all examples of quick video pages that you can start editing yourself, but at least they give you the template for. And so you got confirmation signups and everything. And so if you wanted to do this for yourself, all you need to do is go into here and simply go into page templates. And then once you go into page templates, you get a site like this where you can go in and make a privacy policy, disclaimer, lead generations, all the ones they showed you in a home page, and then you can basically generate the selected pages, and it'll show up on your pages and post areas, where then you can go and just basically fill in the blanks and change some pictures, and you've already got a post within minutes built for you. Then also you can make these pages editable with Thrive Architect, man, I'm tongue twisted, to basically edit them even further with a true front-end editor. So if you do have Thrive Architect, which is an added plugin, you can also edit these with Thrive Architect. But if you don't, you can still edit them just like this, where you would change right here, and then you would update, and then you would simply just preview your changes, and as you can see here, it's going to say your message, and I just wanted to quickly change it. And then there's obviously ways you can change this and add these to your autoresponder, change everything about this page, but I just am showing you how quickly you can do it without Thrive Architect as well. And that's just your theme. That's what it comes standard with. Now for example, this is a homepage template, and I wanted to show you how bad my homepage looked when I didn't use any of these templates, because I just was fiddling around with it, and I realized it's not because it's not easy, because I had a lot of options to change, but I realized I make some bad decisions. So you can see here, it doesn't look too bad, but not really. It's very ugly. So right here, I put a terrible looking opt-in. I put these ugly colors. I put different mix mash hodgepodge of stuff. So as you can see, they have a lot better formatting and professionality to it when they do it when they use the templates they have. And so basically that is how you edit anything with Thrive, and you have theme settings, where this is where you can go in and you won't need like plugins like or themes like Genesis. You won't need extra plugins just to do this basic stuff, or you won't need a theme designer. So you can go in and do your general settings with the logo, copyright links, footer, breadcrumbs, etc. You can go into style and layout settings where you have color schemes, blog layout, how they're going to be laid out, like grid full width, grid sidebar, default blog post layouts, and custom CSS, etc. You got blog settings where you can feature image styles, thumbnails. You can put them on single post, and you can take them off like I did. You got your meta info. You've got your author's box. You've got your continue reading buttons or text. You can do continue reading, whatever you want to put on it. Add the post excerpt or put the whole content, and save changes. And then you got stuff like analytics and strips where you can add in your Google Analytics, your performance where you can do stuff with your lossy compression image optimization, and you got your lazy loads comments where you can load your comments later so it increases your page speed time. And then you can do stuff like here, the image resize, where you can start resizing your images right here, and as you can see, it'll start just resizing images slowly as I wait the image that I optimize. I used to optimize them through a third-party little program online, and now I can just optimize them here without any other extra plugins as well. I used to have to add another plugin, and then this makes it super easy because anything I add in I can just run through here, or it optimizes as it gets loaded on. And then you've got things like comments where you can show comments on pages, highlight author comments. You've got enable Facebook comments. You've got stuff like social media and all the buttons and everything that you want to put on there, and then basically all your links that you can put in your footer. Your 404 page you can edit, and then all your stuff about your related posts. So as you can see right here, it's very easy to at least get your site up and running and ready for business, so you could actually start turning those readers into customers instead of focusing on doing a little design tweak. So that's basically Thrive Themes in a nutshell. And if you click the link below, you can see a full live demo of all the themes and all the plugins that Thrive has to offer.